Well, it's time for the fatal four-way match for the light heavyweight championship. Here's the champion Marvin right here, putting his light heavyweight title on the line. He walked in here tonight at Judgement Day. He is the light heavyweight champion of the world. I don't want to talk about his father lost his hardcore title, but he's not going to lose that belt around his waist. He just doesn't want that sledgehammer to go near her husband and children around it. Right here, which I agree. But tonight, this European title is going to be on the light heavyweight title is going to be on the line tonight. You better be ready to go for this match. Here comes the second. Here comes the first of the three challengers. Tom the Cat. Tom the Cat is here to win gold tonight in this fatal four-way match. He wants to win his first singles title tonight to become light heavyweight champion. Yes. Can he do it tonight? We'll find out. Matchup. And it was Jerry tag title match. And then US title world match. And then who's title? No, the cell match. Both structures gonna be one heck of a match. Well, here's the third challenger for the light heavyweight championship. Finn right here. Finn is looking to take some gold tonight. He's looking to win his first singles title too here tonight. Tom hasn't won any singles titles for many years. Can Finn chase that tonight by winning some light heavyweight gold tonight? We'll find that out if he can. That is. This right here. He's looking to get gold here tonight. In this fatal four-way light heavyweight championship fatal four-way matchup. Well, here comes Gavin and Sogetsu right here tonight. Looking to win his first major championship tonight by winning the light heavyweight championship. Here. If Gavin is successful, he can do it in this fatal four-way matchup for the light heavyweight gold. Can Gavin do? He needs to do it tonight. We'll find out. We will find out. Fatal four-way light heavyweight championship on the line. Right here now. This is a fatal four-way match for the light heavyweight championship here tonight at Judgement Day. Pinfall submissions only in the ring. There's no balls going anywhere. It's just balls in the ring. Here we go. There's the bell. Fatal four-way light heavyweight championship on the line. First get a pinfall or submission. Walks out of the fatal four-way. And move the rope right there. The pin right there. When her first man get a pinfall or submission, leaves the fatal 4-way with the light heavyweight championship right here. There will be no hammers involved right there. Each of these 4 men want to get a pinfall or submission. They want to walk out with the light heavyweight championship. Right here. 2 good guys versus 2 heels. He's got Tom McCann kicking the boot in the face. Now they're going to be on the outside. He's going to try to pinfall him. We're going to try to do that too. Hey! He got him! He got him! Marvin has retained the light heavyweight championship in a fatal 4-way match against 3 challengers in 6 minutes here tonight. My goodness! He survives in his first defense as light heavyweight champion here tonight. He walks out still the light heavyweight champion here tonight at Judgment Day. Oh my.